Welcome. Today I'm going to take you through a follow-along beginner-friendly Olympic lifting workout. All you need is a barbell and some plates. We're not going to go heavy today. We'll start off with an empty bar, doing a warm-up. Then we'll move onto a snatch complex, doing some snatch assistance exercises, helping you work towards a full barbell snatch or even improve your current barbell snatch. We'll take a short break while we load a little bit more weight on the bar, and we'll move onto a clean complex, helping you learn the full clean and press, but breaking it up into some assistance exercises. Let's get into the workout. Let's start off with an empty bar. We're going to be doing 8 exercises for 2 rounds. We'll have a short 30-second rest in between the rounds. We're going to start off with a Romanian deadlift. Let's go 5 reps. Pulling the hips back, hinging. Okay, we're going to go into what we call a hang high pull. So we're going to come down just below the knee, a little bit of contact, pull and down. Let's do 5. We're going to drive the chest up. You don't need to come much higher than chest height. Good. Okay, now we're going to bring the bar up. We're going to do some overhead press. So if you clean it up, we're going to go strict press, 5 reps. On the 5th one, hold it there. Bring the bar onto your back. We're going to do 5 back squats. And then bring the bar back over. We're going to come out to a snatch grip width, so nice and wide. Let's go 5 RDLs, just with this snatch grip this time. Feeling those hamstrings. Now we're going to do a snatch high pull. So you're going to come down, bend the knees just below the knee here. You're going to drive, high pull and down. Let's do 5 of them. So you're going to drive the chest up, contact just below the belly button. Lead with the elbows, just pull the bar up to chest height. Set the back in. Okay, next up, we're gonna get the bar overhead. So give me a power snatch. We're gonna go 5 overhead squats. So nice and slow tempo. Just go the depth you have. Don't worry if it doesn't look like full depth. Just make sure you're not collapsing your back. Bring the bar onto your back now. We're going to do alternating leg, 5 per leg, reverse lunges. All right, bringing the bar over. Just put the bar down. Shake your hands off, and we'll go again. So we're going to do those 8 exercises, 5 reps of each. I'll make the transitions a little bit smoother now that you've already run them through. Okay, let's go 5 Romanian deadlifts. Into some hang high pull. So you're going to come here, contact upper part of the thigh if possible. Leading with the elbows. On this one, we can swivel under at the top. And we're going to go to those 5 overhead presses. Elbows under the bar. Nice straight line. Okay, bring it onto your back. 5 back squats. Make sure your tailbone's not tucking under. Keep your elbows underneath the bar. Bar should be on your traps, not on your neck. All right, bringing it over now. Let's go to that snatch width. Gonna go back to Romanian deadlifts, hinge for 5. Keep that upper back locked in tight. You don't need to overarch your lower back, but you definitely shouldn't be rounding forwards. Okay, we're gonna go those snatch high pulls. So this time, you're gonna go like you're doing a Romanian deadlift, but bend your knees. You're gonna drive, high pull, and down. Let's do 5. Should be making contact somewhere between your hip bone and your belly button, if possible. But if not, don't worry about that contact. That'll come with time. Right, I think that's 5. Next up, we're gonna go for those overhead squats. So I'm gonna power snatch it overhead. And then we wanna reach the bar up, create a shelf of those upper back muscles, lock the elbows. Let's go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, bringing the bar onto your back. Alternating reverse lunge, 5 per leg. All right, bringing it over. So that's the warm-up complete. Starting to develop some of those skills for what we're about to do. I want you to load the bar, very light. We're going to be doing a snatch complex. I've got a 10 kilo bar. I'm going to be adding a 5 kilo plate to each side. So that'll be just 20 kilos total. I think that's 45 pounds for the Americans out there. I'd probably go heavier if I was doing this as a workout on my own, but I want to be able to talk to you as I'm doing it. So just pick a weight that's suitable for you. A lot of you, I recommend just using an empty bar for this, especially if you've got a 20 kilo bar. Okay, we're going to do 4 snatch exercises in a snatch complex. We're going to do 3 reps of each, and we're going to link them. We're going to start with a snatch grip pause deadlift. We're going to do 3 reps. After that, we'll move straight into a hang power snatch for 3 reps. Then we'll keep the bar overhead and we'll do 3 overhead squats. And then the challenging one today is going to be, we're going to do 3 what we call snatch balance reps. We'll take a short break after we've done the whole 4 exercise complex. We'll repeat for 3 rounds. And then we'll up the weight of the bar and move onto that clean complex. So let's go with those snatch pause deadlifts. So take a nice wide grip on the bar, set your back in. Let's go up and pause just below the knee and to the top. 1, slowly down, set that back in, pause just below the knee. 2, try and keep rough time with me. Set that back in, pause just below the knee. 3, okay, we're just going to come down now to just below the knee level. We're going to go for a power snatch. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, coming up in one nice smooth movement. 3, we're going to keep the bar above our head. We're going to go 3 overhead squats. Reach the bar. Don't worry about your depth. If it means just coming to here, that's fine, but if you've got more, get those 3. We're not trying to rush this today. Okay, bringing the bar onto your back. This is going to be a tricky one, but just do your best. I'm going to bring my feet closer. I'm going to do a very small push press. I'm going to drop underneath the bar. See how my feet came out as well? Feet together, bring the bar back to your back. Small push press. Drop into that overhead position. Let's go one more time. Small push press, fast drop. Lock out. We're going to bring the bar back to the floor. And relax. So there's a nice slow routine. Hopefully you didn't take it too fast. We'll speed it up. We're going to do another 2 rounds of that. So just shake the arms off. Let's go again. We're going to do 3 reps of each. I'll link them a little bit smoother, but just take it at your own pace There's no hurry. It doesn't matter if you're not in time with me. Okay, snatch grip, pause deadlifts. 3 reps of everything. Let's go. Pause below the knee. 1. Reset. Pause below the knee. I like a reset every time. 2. Reset the back. Pause below the knee. 3. Come down to that hang position. Let's go. 1. 2. 3. Keeping the bar overhead. 3 overhead squats. Onto the back. 3 snatch balance. Taking your time. Feet close. Drop wide. Return the feet. Bring the bar. All right. 2 rounds in. Let's take a little water break. Do your best. Don't worry if it doesn't look exactly like this. Just make sure that you go light and you can practice, and as you get better, you could repeat the video with some heavier weights. All right, I think I'm feeling good to go. Let's go for that 3rd and final round on this snatch complex. You might want to experiment with slightly wider or closer grip. Usually people need to go a bit wider, I find. Okay, pause, deadlifts. 1, still doing 3s. I like that. Upper back reset, pause. 2. 3. Down to the hang position. Let's go. 1. So not dropping into a full squat here. That's why it's called a power snatch, not a snatch. And it's called a hang because you're not going to the floor. All right, overhead squats. 1, 2, 3, onto your back. I'm going to try and minimize my push press now and just do a fast drop. So I'm getting rid of a lot of that push of the legs and just going for the drop. Really have to trust the lockout of the arms and get under the bar fast. All right. Okay, we're going to take a proper break now, just to let you recover a bit, get some water. I'm going to increase the weight, so I'm going to swap these 5s out for some 10s. So if you want to up the bar slightly, you should be able to do a slightly heavier bar in this next section. We're moving on to the clean complex next. Same format, different exercises. All right, we're going to start with some pause deadlifts, but with a conventional grip. I'll show you these. So we're just going to do a pause deadlift. Then, you don't need to follow along yet, I'm just demoing. We're going to go for a hang power clean. Once you're up here, you'll do 3 front squats. Then hopefully I've got enough space. You're going to do some split jerks. Okay, let's get you ready to go. We're going to do 3 of everything. Nice and slow first time round. Let's get that back flat. Pause below the knee. 1. 2. 3. Down to the hang position. And then hang power cleans. 1. Try and make contact. Upper thigh. 2. 3. Okay, one more, sorry. We're gonna go hold it in this front squat position. Let's go for 3 front squats. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next up we've got the split jerks. I'll show you from a side angle. So you're gonna do a little dip. 1. Let's go again. Just do your preferred leg for now. 2. 3. So if you're confident enough, second round, I recommend going back with your other leg. So I went back with my right leg, so next time I'll do my left. But if you're more comfortable just sticking with the same one, that's absolutely fine. So we've just got 2 more rounds to go. Still reps of 3. Let's get a bit of recovery, let's get a little bit of water on. When you're doing Olympic lifting, you shouldn't really be doing it over fatigued. You should be staying relatively fresh. It's a complex movement. Try and keep the quality. Okay, let's go. Pause deadlift. 1. 2. 3. Down to that hang position just below the knee. 1. 2. This time we can stop in the front squat position. All right, ready for some front squats. 1. 2. 3. Okay, let's get ready for those split jerks. I'm going to go back with my left leg this time. Let's go. 1. So you want a split jerk. Stop there, walk your feet in, and then bring the bar down. 1 more. All right, just 1 round to go. Again, we'll speed it up a little bit for this final round. Let's make sure we're nice and fresh for it. If you're struggling with your mobility and the front squat or depth, I've got a load of mobility videos in a playlist. So you could go do them once a week, twice a week, ideally more, and then come back to this and you might find that you've improved a bit. Okay, let's go. Final time, let's get it done. Pause, 1. Pause, 2. Pause, 3. Down to just below the knee. 1. 2. 3. Ready for those front squats. 1. 2. 3. Let's pick your favorite leg now for those split jerks. Walk it in, bar down. 2. Ideally, you'll start this from that full front rack position, but with a grip on the bar. And that's it, workout complete. Thanks so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments how you found that workout. Give the video a like and make sure you subscribe. Check out my barbells playlist. I've got loads more follow along workouts and hopefully see you again soon for another workout.